Now, before you cancel your Starlink, you might want to watch this. I was literally going to stop paying for this and shut down this system for paying $50 a month on a system I never even really used. It was more meant for backup until I found this $5 mode, the standby mode. Now, there is a catch to the $5 standby mode. You only get about 0.5 megabits per second, which is very slow. Now, I'm going to show you some speed tests, and I actually got mine up to 1 megabit. So, it's there, it's available, but it's definitely not going to be running for Netflix or streaming high quality YouTube. It's mainly going to be for text messages, emergency phone calls, which is really what you need if you're using it for your home. You have your own internet in your house. If that goes down, you run this system and you're still able to make phone calls and text messages while the power's out. Now here's why I think this is kind of genius that SpaceX did. You're still able to have internet, it's still connected. Now, you're able to get updates, keep it going, and if you really need to bump it up to the basic $50 a month, you can switch that plan immediately. There's no extra work needed. You simply go to the app, switch out the plan, and now you have full capabilities of an internet system, if it's what you want. If you don't need that, you still have the $5 standby mode to make phone calls and text messages, which is, what I only need if the power goes out. I'm not trying to watch anything because I already have solar backup and battery backups. Now, if you're one of those persons that has a vacation home, this could be a good system for you. So you're not wasting $50 a month on a place you're hardly using. You put it in standby mode for $5, and when you guys are in town, you can change it to the $50 plan and have full internet at your vacation home. But it does come with some downside. Now let's get real for a second. There is some downside, obviously. It's slow, painfully slow. Merely just to send text messages, maybe an email, maybe some light browsing, and at low quality videos on YouTube you might be able to get to, and I will show you that here, that you can still stream just at a low quality on your phone. So if you're looking for the full system at the $50 plan, then maybe this isn't for you, but I had that plan and I wasn't using this thing like I wanted to, so I bumped it down to the $5 plan. And just think, it's cheaper than a venti cup of coffee. Put that into perspective. $5 a month keeps this thing always going until you actually need it. All right, now here's the bottom line. If you don't plan on using your Starlink every day for normal usage, then this standby mode plan is perfect for you. At $5 a month, it costs as much as a cup of coffee, and you get to keep this system, and you can switch it out whenever you feel like it. But for the basic needs of sending text messages, maybe streaming a little bit of YouTube, or sending emails, this is perfect for you. Now, believe it or not, this is really not one of the features that Starlink promotes, and this is why I wanted to get this video out, because I think this is very crucial to some people that don't want to pay the $50 a month minimum. $5 standby mode is a great feature, and please let me know down in the comments if you're sitting at the $50 plan. Is this something that you would drop down to just to keep your Starlink going and sending messages for emergencies? Let me know down in the comments. I hope you like this video. Make sure you like and subscribe so I can get this content out to more people, and we'll catch you on the next one.